Motorola Moto G3 front camera replacement guide. The version you are viewing is retained for historical purposes. Use the plastic opening tool to open the back cover as shown in the photo. Heat an eye opener in the microwave for 30 seconds. Place the heated eye opener on all four edges of the screen for approximately 2 minutes. Apply the plastic opening tool on the edge of the screen near the front camera. After creating enough space, allow the opening tool to be inserted on the side of the phone. Create another space on the other side of the screen. Leave the opening tool inserted. Carefully apply the larger plastic opening tool by sliding it through the longer edge of the screen. A strip will be attached to the motherboard as shown. Using tweezers, carefully detach the strip from the motherboard. With a T4 screwdriver, remove the 10 yellow 2mm screws and 4 black 2mm screws. Use the metal spudger and lift the back cover on the bottom side of the phone. This is attached to the motherboard. Flip the motherboard over. Using tweezers, pry open the black front camera cover and remove it from the motherboard. Remove the front camera from the device.